Click, clap, pull it. Click, clap, pull it. Click, click.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial video we show how to edit cover layer in Cadence software. So first we open Cadence software. This is my Cadence software and I am already open Gerber. So first I define the layer. For this I press Y of shortcut. This is my cover layer. Click enter and select C01 mean top layer. So I am select top. This L02 enter. This is my silk bottom. This is mask top. So I made define all layer. So in this video we saw how to edit cover layer, and this is my cover layer. I make a color of flash and draw different, so we easily show. So I make a red for flash and make orange for draw. So now this is my cover area. In most of case we have any text on top layer or bottom layer. Here we have text part number ADV-1503, so it is visible. So this is top layer. If here is mirror, then it is bottom layer. Like this we make it mirror for bottom layer. If it is like, then it is a mirror, so it is bottom layer, but here is top layer, so we make it readable. So this is my cover layer. So in production house, in PCB production house, cover layer is main layer. So first we show cover layer for any problem or not. So in basically we saw in cover layer the distance between two plates like this. This red color is our flash. So first we see the distance between plates. This is our distance here. Here we work in mm. First we set here. I am set already in millimeter, and we also see here this is mm. We work in mm. So our distance between these two flash is we see here distance. So it's 0.781. It is enough distance. So in general case we show distance between two flash. We see it. Now we see distance between two track. For this we take here. Like this is my track. So we show the distance between track. It is because of if distance between track is low, then there is possibility in production this both track are short in production house. So we first maintain distance between flash, distance between any track, distance between any track to flash. We set it first, so it is easy for production house. So if any customer give us Gerber, so first we see generally if we got any problem, then we solve it or manage it. So first we start here for top side. Here is distance is easy. In general case, the distance between flash to flash is 0.25 mm, track to track 0.254 mm, and drill to drill is 0.1 mm. So here distance is we already measure first. It's enough. We measure it second time, and it is 0.774 is it's enough distance. So we zoom out it, check other area, like here is okay, we see it. If we doubt the distance is not more than 0.254, then we measure it. If here we measure, then we zoom it and measure. We see measure here, distance here. See here distance is 0.547 and it's enough distance. We also measure here. It is approximately 0.45 or 5 mm, 0.5. So it's enough distance. Here is our flash, and so here is distance is very low. First we measure it. Here distance is just 0.238. So we want to make distance between those flash. So for this we have two options. First option is we move flash any other side and make a distance, but here is no area for move. Like this flash is not move here and not move this right side and not move in left side, because flash are in lines. So we have just one option. We make this flash size is low. We increase the size of this flash. So first we click on this escape and click on this flash and click on this flash. So for decrease in size of this flash, we have to decode option, and first we measure this size. We also measure size, and it's 0.238. So we want to make a size of 0.25. So first we select decode and it's minus. I am approximately take minus 0.1, take minus 0.1 and on fixed amount. Okay, now I zinc and I want to change in only flash, not in draw, arc, poly and text. So first I am off this draw, arc, poly and text, and I am active layer just one. This is copper layer. So now I am take rectangle for this. First click and here second click. Here is also come this two drill, so we don't want to increase the size of, so we take second time. It is also come, so we take third time. So we decrease size. Now we measure second time distance between this flash. It is 340. See here, distance between two flash is 0.344 and it's enough for production. So we minus. So this is how to make distance between flash in any editing. For make a distance between any flash or draw, we have two options. One is a move any decode. If here is place for move, and if we don't have any place to move, then we have second option is the change the size of this flash or draw. So here we don't have any place for move, so we make a change in size of this flash, and we make a distance from 0.238 to 0.344, and it's enough for our production house. Now we see other area. If any issue, then we solve it. Here we got this line, and this line is small and this line is big, and here distance is also small, so we don't move this line up and also don't move this line to down. So we have just one option, and it is we decrease size of this draw. So for this we first for this we first right click on this decode. So we get information. So here is information of this decode, and it's decode number 17, and its draw type, and its size is 1.8, and we also see the size of this decode. It's a decode number 35, and size 1.2. So we want to change in size, like this draw size is 1.2 and this draw size is 1.8. So we make this draw also 1.2. So for make this change, we have two options. First is we click on it, right click on it, and transcode. And in transcode, we know the decode of D035 is 1.2, so we directly select it. Here decode is round and it is 1.2, so it is we make 1.2. And second option to make and change, first we undo it. Second option is make to we edit in decode. Select it. First we select and take information, and it's D17. And we take this D17, and it is 1.8. We also change here by 1.2, but in general case we don't change from here aperture setup, because if I am change from here, then whenever this decode it is used here, also here it is maybe used in more than one place. Then if I am change from here, then this decode is changed in all place. So our Gerber is in any area it is short, and in any area the track is too small, so we don't use second option for this. So we directly change decode here, right click, transcode, and it is 35, and decode number 35 has value 1.2 mm. So it is we saw two changes. One is in flash and second is in draw. Now we also see if any problem in this Gerber, then we solve it. here also one mistake or any problem here. Here this with this both flash and this track is touch each other. So we have two option. First we show it is its gerber is right or wrong. If it is mistake, then we change then we solve it. We have here we have two option. Here we increase the size of this flash and increase the size of this draw, but this draw size is already too small, so we make change in flash and we take minus 0.5 and minus 0.5. okay, and only flash select already. So now we make a size, and if you decrease the size of any flash, then we also take care of NC layer. Now I'm on NC layer, and here is also size is okay with for drill to pad and pad to track. All size is okay, so it's okay. Now I am off NC layer, and now we see other any issue in this Gerber or not. Here we show that here distance is more and here is too small distance, so we have first option, we decrease size of this draw and decrease size of this flash. But we have second option is if I move this line to here, then it is easily work it, and we don't want to any decrease of any Gerber. So first we right click and we have option to move, and I move it here, and now we take it transparent, and this track is now mismatched. So we first we joint is, so go to joint line, okay, and first click here and here, first and second. So we make a distance here is enough and here is also enough. So in copper area, first of we general see all area, and if we want to make a change, then we make it. After this, now I am complete this Gerber of copper area, and it is now okay. And after that we on the NC layer, and now we see that for NC layer we have some one distance it's called drill to pad, and it is measured like this. First we take the border of drill and take border of flash of copper layer, and it is here we measure, and it is 0.984 approximately 1 mm, so it's enough. Here is most of distance is 0.25 0.2, it's enough. So we take a look of this Gerber. If any place if by chance anywhere the distance between the drill to pad is low, then we make then we don't change in NC layer. We never decrease the NC layer with drill heat. We always change in pad. This is my pad, this is pad, this is flash is pad, and this T8 is tool number and 3405 is my drill. So we don't change in drill layer, we always change in our flash or copper layer. So we make, if here distance between the drill and flash is low, then we make a distance by editing in flash, and we normally increase the size of flash. We see it like if I want to increase this flash size, then first I am going to decode and take, if I want to 0.3, okay, and I am take it's here I am only on flash and off layer of NC layer. So here is on is just copper layer and here is flash, and now I am click it, so we increase flash. So here we make more distance from a drill to copper. So this is our NC layer, and we set all NC layer and copper layer. Here is all copper layer and NC layer is in proper way, so we don't make a change here. If any change, then we change in copper layer, not in drill layer. And after this we have one option of DRC setup, and DRC setup is also take the pad to pad, pad to trace, trace to trace, drill to drill, pad to drill, pad to top mask, pad to bottom mask. It is DRC. After all change in Gerber we check DRC, and if we have any fault, like here we set pad to pad distance I want to 0. It is by default 0.102, but if I am set it 0.252, then if any two flash or any two pad distance is lower than 0.252, then we got error on the software, and after got all this error we solve it one by one. But for DRC we make another video for this. So this is our copper layer editing, and thank you guys.